Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on inverting the colors on a PlayStation 5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top to where it says Games and Media. Then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility Settings, select Display and Sound. The second option in Display and Sound settings is called Invert Colors. Press X on that to invert the colors on your PS5. You can come back here to the settings to turn Inverted Colors mode off whenever you want. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.